Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. So if you want to open your WhatsApp and go to the message box, you can see different kind of messages and stuffs like that. So to delete a WhatsApp message for everyone after a long time, you need to use the feature called delete for everyone. This feature you will be getting within 2 days after sending the message, and this is available in the latest version of WhatsApp. So if you press hold any message, you can see an option called delete for everyone. So once you have tapped on that particular option, it will now remove that particular message from both the group chats or like both the parties. It will be deleted in my WhatsApp as well as the receiver's WhatsApp as well. However, this option has a limit of 2 days. You cannot delete a message for everyone once the 2 day limit has been over. So you should make sure that you abide by the time limit to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.